mbukele Perfect TV lapha emakhaya ngiyanimukela ngiyabona iTV yethi vele yahlonipheka njengamanje nginanayo inkosazana enhle nazi la iPerfect TV nijwayele nje amadoda kuphela namhlanje nginiphathele nangu usisi uThenjiwe Khesa odlala indima enkulu ngiyazi naxa lo sisi wenzani kumaskandi lo sisi lo she's the manager of upresident Ngizwe Mchunu wahlezi sibona upresident up and down zonke indawo ethola ama endorsement and she play a very big role. This one is Thenjiwe Khesa sisi asekumukele kwiPerfect TV bafethu ngingamthethisi ke ufunda ikole ne right nezo ngiyadlala izulu sakhe asikho that's good uzomixa neEnglish ngiyamxolisela lapho Thenjiwe let's welcome you in Perfect TV and thanks for your time and the invite also in this beautiful event today.
Okay, ngibonge kakhulu baba. I appreciate you guys coming here today. Thank you so much.
Sis Thenjiwe.
Yeah, baba.
Ngabe Perfect TV ayikho la if you not here also or
yes.
if you didn't invite us.
Yes.
Today ish.
Yes.
Bhinca ngalokhu ngiyiphamisile ngithi nayi bafethu yethu izoyabo ibhayothi Bhinca Perfume nangu sisi osemva kwalento yonke Thenjiwe le idea iqhamukapi and why did you come up with Bhinca Perfume?
So Bhinca Perfume came about when Miss Shade,
yes.
who owns UAE Fragrances, saw a gap in the Bhinca community because of domination ya Mazulu around KZN ukuthi and popularity ya Ngizwe Mchunu.
Yes.
And she saw an opportunity there and then asked someone to quickly give out the word yokuthi uyamdinga Ngizwe as a store khona into afuna ukuyixoxa nayo. So when we went there, we smelled the fragrances anazo and then we came to a conclusion yokuthi let's create Bhinca Perfume. Perfume are especially for the Bhinca community so that nathi sibe nento esiyionayo as Bhinca ezoba lasting generational wealth. Sasicabanga ke ukuthi you know what, with this thing kune opportunity eningi kakhulu that we can all sacabanga ukuthi how can all Bhinca community people and Zulu people benefit from this. Sacabanga ke sahlala phansi sathi no khona brands amaningi la eSouth Africa uthola ukuthi anama distributors adayisayo fragrance. So what we decided to do is say, you know what, nathi let's combat unemployment this way. SICELA perfume, take these perfumes, make sure that people come and buy for themselves and as well as to stock and resell the products. So products, the fragrance is not expensive, but it smells very good. The packaging is beautiful. So decide the fragrance must bega yonke into is going to be 300 rand and its stock price is 200 rand. Yes. So mawuthenga stock price uthenga istock dayisa Savannah decided to go about 200 rand that way. So there is a WhatsApp number uthole lama fragrance 066
yes.
455
yes.
6719 066 yes. 455 6719. Yeah. So this is a WhatsApp number. Yes. Guys, I phone your number. It's a WhatsApp number. Strictly. Order khona perfume yako. So what we do after that, masu odile, courier is 100 rand. We send it to the nearest PEP. Say package product yako. We send a PEP. We land at your nearest PEP. And so, but then yeah, that's basically how it came about and how far we've come. Ujobubona namhlanje ukuthi sesisekudeni kanjani.
Ngeke namhlanje ngiyabuza ukuthi abantu abazi us as Bhinca, we don't know nothing about PR. When you play a very big role in president as a PR person.
Yes.
And how did you find Ngizwe and nitholane kanjani ukuthi uzosebenza naye?
Oh, Ubaba Ngizwe and I had mutual friends.
Yes.
Kwaba nomngani ozayo athi no, I think I want to introduce you to someone so that uzo organize izinto zakhe more clearly in black and white, be more organized and yabona nje naye he's been pulled to the left, right and center, so kufanele kube khona lo muntu ozokwazi ukuthi akwazi ukumanage izinto kahle, akwazi ukumanage isimo.
Yes.
You know, when it comes to things. So that's how I was introduced to him, and then since then, yeah, so it's been about, I met him 2 years ago. Yeah, it's been about 2 years.
PR.
So I always say PR is public relations.
Yes.
So chazuti relationship ye public ne brand.
Yeah.
So it's that combination relationship. Njengoba sesiyenza PR yaleli bhodlela lama Bhinca. It's going to be out there. It's going to create a relationship nabantu. Yabo. So that's how I explain PR in simple terms, because manga and details
because I have a qualification in diploma in PR.
In public relations.
Yeah, that's why I'm
okay.
interested in this part.
Or in knowing how I explain it. If I really know my job.
I'm joking.
Okay.
So sisithenjiwe siyafisa ukuyibona ikhula, but ukukhula kwebrand ukuthini amabhinca njengoba be Perfect TV abayi support 100%.
Yes. Akona guys are available, they're all the way from Dubai. Akona maningi buy. Let's support each other, let's grow each other, resell, stock, resell, yenzimali.
And sina abantu besilisa nabantu besifazana ngithi.
Yes, yabantu besilisa nabantu besifazana.
Mawuthenga umjida, ufika uthengela umuntu wakho, uthenga.
Exactly.
Lula nje bafethu.
And Christmas is around the corner.
300. Letela eskisi ovela uphume nje uyiphuze nje manje uthenga something yokudla usuphe 300 athi lento le bafana nayi ngeke yagqilaza ungezwa kunuka kanjani ukuba nawazi ukunuka lapha benanuka. So bafethu please let's support sisuthenjiwe mamshedi ngizomchunu asiba supporteni bafethu. It's only 300 rand. Now we WhatsApp number ngicathi nayibona down the screen. Cela ni support ni WhatsApp iPhoneelwa tawakho ukugcina siswami thenjiwe. Siyabonga nathi nge-invite la kweyiko asingazo singena ko Pencil Club.
Yes, baningi abaqala ukufika lana, but thank you so much for honoring the invite. Ngiyacela ke amabhinca awasume phansi ayilwele nabo for financial freedom, bayenza imali. December is around the corner, January is coming, ingane zofuna ama school fees, zifuna stationery, ama uniform. So ilwa, but guys, ngo December dayisana ama perfume. Ninuka kahle, nuka kamnandi, and thank you so much.
Siyabonga nathi mfethu, sibonga ukuthi upresident uNongizwe ngibonile nje lapha ku TikTok ufaka ivideo uveza team chawu upresident unane team ngemuva.
Yes unayo.
Asibonga kakhulu bafethu asupporteni nangu inamba WhatsApp la sisithenjiwe. Mhlanga bakhona la ku Lagoon Road but ikhona address la ezansi. Let's go and support a black owned business bafethu thina until next time. Ba. Awe.